Welcome back to FixPro Garage. Today we're tackling a frustrating problem. Your car feels slow, but there's no check engine light. It's easy to ignore, but a sluggish car means something's wrong under the hood. I'll show you hidden reasons your car can lose power without throwing a code, and how to check and fix each one yourself. These are simple DIY steps that can save you money and get your car running strong again. Let's dive in and get your ride back to normal. First up, the mass airflow sensor, or MAF sensor. This small but crucial part measures the amount of air entering your engine, helping your car's computer balance fuel and air for smooth performance. Over time, dust and oil can coat the sensor, making it less accurate. If it's dirty, your car's computer can't mix fuel and air correctly, making your car feel sluggish, hesitate, or even stall. A dirty MAF sensor rarely triggers a check engine light, but it can quietly kill your car's performance and fuel economy. You might notice rough idling, poor acceleration, or lower gas mileage. Cleaning it is easy and can make a big difference. Start by carefully removing the sensor from your air intake. Use a dedicated MAF sensor cleaner, never regular cleaners or compressed air. Spray the sensor thoroughly to remove all residue. Let it air dry completely before reinstalling. Never touch the delicate wires, they're easy to damage. If your car still feels off after cleaning, check for air leaks or wiring issues around the sensor. Most people notice instant improvement, better throttle response and smoother driving. If you've never cleaned your MAF sensor, now's the perfect time. It's a quick DIY fix that can restore your car's lost power and efficiency. Next, check your air filter. A clogged filter chokes your engine, making acceleration sluggish and hurting fuel economy. Pop open the air filter housing, pull out the filter, and hold it up to the light. If you can't see through it, replace it. Don't bother cleaning unless it's reusable. Air filters are cheap and take 5 minutes to swap. This simple step can instantly improve throttle response. Check your filter every oil change, especially if you drive in dusty areas. Don't overlook this. Many slow cars just need a new filter. If your engine isn't getting enough fuel, it'll feel sluggish, slow to respond, and may hesitate when you accelerate, even if there's no check engine light. Weak fuel delivery is a common cause of power loss, and it can sneak up on you. Dirty fuel injectors, a failing fuel pump, or a clogged fuel filter can all starve your engine of the fuel it needs to perform. Over time, contaminants build up in the fuel system, restricting flow and making your car feel underpowered. Start with the basics. Add a bottle of fuel injector cleaner to a full tank and drive for a few days. This can help dissolve deposits and restore spray patterns. If there's no improvement, check your fuel pressure with a gauge and compare it to your car's specifications. Low pressure points to a restriction or failing component. Replacing a clogged fuel filter is usually a simple job and can make a big difference in performance. If the filter doesn't solve it, the fuel pump might be the culprit. Replacing a pump is more involved, but doable if you're comfortable with tools. Don't ignore weak fuel delivery. Catching it early can save you from expensive repairs down the road. If your car feels like it's running out of steam, check the fuel system. Sometimes a simple cleaning or filter swap is all it takes to bring back lost power. Have you ever pressed the gas pedal and felt your car hesitate, lag, or just feel sluggish, even though there's no check engine light? One of the most common reasons for this is a dirty throttle body. This often overlooked part can cause annoying hesitation, slow acceleration, and a general lack of power, especially when you need it most, like merging onto the highway or pulling away from a stop. Over time, carbon deposits and grime build up inside the throttle body, making the throttle plate stick or react slowly to your input. This buildup restricts airflow, which can make your engine feel like it's struggling to breathe. To fix this, remove the intake hose, spray throttle body cleaner on a rag, and gently wipe away the buildup. Never spray directly inside, as this can damage sensors or electronics. If your car has an electronic throttle, never force the plate open, just clean what you can reach. Forcing it can damage delicate components. Let everything dry, reattach the intake, and start the engine. It might idle rough for a minute, but it should smooth out quickly as the computer recalibrates. After cleaning, you'll usually notice a much better throttle response, smoother acceleration, and a more enjoyable drive overall. If you've never done this, it's a must, especially for high-mileage vehicles. Don't overlook the throttle body if your car feels lazy off the line. Regular cleaning can restore lost performance and help prevent future hesitation issues. If your engine revs but the car doesn't accelerate, your transmission might be slipping, a problem that quietly robs your car of power and performance, often without any warning lights. Transmission slipping means the engine's power isn't reaching the wheels efficiently. Instead, the energy gets lost inside the transmission, making your car feel sluggish and less responsive. There's often no check engine light, just slow acceleration, delayed response, or a sense that your car is working harder than usual, especially when you try to speed up or go uphill. Always check your transmission fluid. It should be bright red and smell sweet. Healthy fluid is crucial for smooth shifting and power delivery. If it's brown, burnt, or low, change or top it off immediately. Dirty or low fluid can't protect your transmission, causing more slip and even permanent damage. Regular maintenance, like fluid changes, can prevent slipping and extend your transmission's life. Slipping transmissions make your car feel slow and unresponsive, especially when merging, passing, or climbing hills. You might notice the engine revs rise without a matching increase in speed. Always use the correct fluid for your car. Check the manual for the right type and service intervals. If you see metal shavings in the fluid, that's a sign of internal damage. See a professional right away. Don't ignore transmission issues. Early action can save you thousands and keep your car running strong for years to come. Sometimes, sensors don't fail completely, they just get weak. Take the O2 sensor for example. Over time it can get sluggish, causing poor fuel economy, rough idling, or slow acceleration, even though there's no check engine light. The throttle position sensor, TPS, is another common culprit. A weak TPS can make your car hesitate or stumble when you press the gas. Even a tired mass airflow sensor or coolant temp sensor can cause similar symptoms. No warning lights, just a car that feels off. Use an OBD2 scanner to check live sensor data. Look for slow, stuck, or erratic readings. If you spot issues, replacing or cleaning these sensors is usually easy and can instantly restore lost performance. So if your car feels sluggish and you can't find the cause, check these sensors, especially on high-mileage vehicles. Sometimes the fix is just a tired sensor. If your car feels slow but there's no check engine light, now you know where to look. Check your MAF sensor, air filter, fuel system, throttle body, transmission, and those sneaky sensors. Start with these simple, DIY fixes. They're cheap and can save you a ton. Most take less than an hour and basic tools. Like, subscribe, and drop your car questions in the comments. Thanks for watching FixPro Garage.